In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix AniWatch not working. So basically, if you're experiencing issues with AniWatch not working, or the playback is not working, or the specific website is not working, the first thing that you can do is to check AniWatch's server status. So the website may be undergoing maintenance or experiencing server issues, so simply visit its official social media accounts or community forums for any announcements regarding downtime. Another thing that you can do is to simply verify your internet connection. So ensure that your internet connection is stable. So try accessing other websites to confirm connectivity, and if issues persist, restart your router or contact your ISP. Another thing that you can do is to clear your browser cache and cookies. So accumulated cache and cookies can cause loading problems, so clear them by accessing your browser settings. Another thing that you can do is to disable your browser extensions. So some extensions might interfere with website functionality, so temporarily disable them to see if AniWatch loads correctly. Then you can update your browser. So an outdated browser can lead to compatibility issues. So ensure you're using the latest version by checking your browser's about section. And last thing that you can do is to use a VPN. So AniWatch might be inaccessible in certain regions, so a VPN can help bypass geo restrictions by masking your IP address. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.